Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Oh, wow!
Woo! Woohoo!
That was great! Go get him, Kayla! Go get him! Go get him, Joey!
You!
The swimmer!
Woo!
That was good. That was great. Hi, Kayla.
Wow! I think that was even better.
Even
Yeah. That was awesome. Great.
even better.
Even better?
Yeah,
Woo!
that was good.
There you go. Just jump right there and just jump that way.
I'm going to try to do a pencil, just so you guys know.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, well, turn.
I'm not ready.
You count to 3.
Oh, it's pretty back here. Okay.
Karen, you count to 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump on 2.5, okay?
What am I jumping on? 3.
3.
Oh man, you guys.
Okay?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Karen!
What? Did I do it right?
Yes.
What?
Perfect.
Oh, good. Jeez! Woo! Hey! That's my door!
I'm not stopping.
Karen, you ready?
No. Okay, now I'm watching.
I'm going to fall! I'm going to fall!
Yeah! Love it.
Woo!
That was hot.